Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to set up AutoPay for multiple Chase credit cards without errors. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. AutoPay automatically pays all or part of your Chase credit card bill each month, so you never miss a payment. To do it, simply head over and open up your Chase bank account app and then log in with your username and password, and make sure your phone has internet. The next step is to tap on the credit card you want to set AutoPay for by simply heading over to the card section and selecting the card, and repeat this step for each card if you have multiple cards. Then once done, what you need to do here is simply tap on next on the bottom, and then once you tap on next, here you will be redirected or sent to the setup automatic payments. Now what you need to do is tap on payment amount. Once you tap on payment amount, you will be sent to the select payment amount option. Now here, under the fixed amount, simply type the amount that you want to autopay. Then once that's done, tap on the back on the top left corner of your screen, and then once you are inside here, once again tap on pay form. Then once you tap on that, what you need to do is select your Chase savings account. Then once that's done, all you gotta do is go back once again, then on the bottom simply tap on next right here, and once you're inside there, all you gotta do is simply tap on this small checkbox right here, and then which agrees to the terms and conditions of the automatic payments. Then lastly tap on set automatic payments bottom of your screen, and that will set up your automatic payments. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.